Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today is your birthday. And here we go again. We are back with another carry-on packing video for a long trip. As per usual, I'm stressed, I'm overwhelmed, I don't know where to begin and just and I feel like this genuinely might be our biggest challenge yet because I am packing for Europe. I feel like all my previous packing videos have been like beach vacations or just something chill like that. No, this is like multiple different destinations, multiple different climates, and like I actually care about my outfits a little bit more because it's Europe and I want to look cute. And so, oh my God, it's just gonna be a lot. I literally don't know how I'm going to do it. I actually don't know, but I do know that we can rise to the occasion. So I guess let's get started. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so here's the thing. I have this box here, which has a bunch of the stuff that I want to bring, but I don't know if it's everything that I want to bring. I think I need to like organize this pile of clothes and understand like how many tops I have, pants, all of that, and then reevaluate. Oh no, Molly's here. I was trying to hide this from her. Molly, are you okay? You're okay, little baby? Don't worry, she'll be very well taken care of. Yeah, okay, just onto your heating pad. Okay, we have some organized chaos going on the ground here. I basically went through everything in that pile, organized it, and then also went through my closet and picked out a couple more little things that I was thinking about bringing. This is basically like, if I can bring everything that I want, this is it. And now we just have to see what can actually fit. Really quickly, I think I'm going to go grab some pajama type stuff. That way I just have that in here. And then I think we're gonna start tackling how to actually get this to all fit in my suitcase. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I also just remembered jackets because I'm likely gonna need some jackets. I think I'm gonna bring two, ideally. I think what I'm gonna do is bring this like black lighter jacket, which just kind of goes with everything, easy to throw on. And then I think I'd like to bring this brown leather jacket from Abercrombie. And I can always wear one of these on the plane if I have to, or I don't know, I'm gonna have to sort out. Oh my God, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, it's fine, we're fine. Okay, now I think that I have all of the clothing that I wanna bring with me out here. And now we're going to start attempting to fit it into packing cubes. I really wish I'd been smart and remembered to mark or like keep separate which packing cubes I used the last time I packed in my carry-on. I'm pretty sure it was this one. I'm pretty sure we didn't use the biggest one, or is that the biggest one? And then I think we used this for swimsuits, but I'm likely only bringing one swimsuit. I really don't expect us to be doing many water activities because it's gonna be kind of like fallish weather everywhere we go. So I can likely, oh, here's another one. This is the bigger one, I'm pretty sure. Clearly, I don't know. Anyway, I'll probably just put my underwear in here as well as just like one swimsuit just in case kind of thing. I actually might use this for shoes this time. I didn't last time, but I think I'm gonna have more room for shoes. I'm trying to make more room for shoes because I have a lot of shoes that I want to bring, so that will be good. And then I don't think I'm gonna end up bringing this laundry bag with me. It would be kind of nice, but I just don't think it's like practical that I'm gonna have space for something like this. So we're probably just gonna get rid of that. Let's do it. Let's just start folding things and putting them inside of packing cubes and seeing what happens. We got all of our shirts inside of this packing cube here, and now we are going to put all of our skirts, I believe, and dresses into here. I really wish I had one more packing cube that was this size. That would be super ideal, but I don't, so, you know, it is what it is. That one was a lot more difficult, to be honest, but We managed to fit it all in here. I think we need to actually open up the suitcase now and start to figure out how all of this is going to fit inside successfully. We still have all of my pants. I also was hoping that these sweaters could fit in with this, but it just didn't work out. The dresses are just really bulky, so, you know, there was nothing I could really do about that. So, I don't know, yeah, let's start playing around with actually putting stuff in the suitcase and see what happens. So the good part here is that I am gonna put my toiletries in my backpack. So this entire thing can be for clothes, which is very nice. But I am uncertain about where to go from here. Kind of thinking, wow, this takes up like the entire thing. Can both of these fit in here? Kinda. Ay, this is not good. Okay, well that would be that whole side. I was really hoping I would have a lot of room on this side for shoes, and it's kind of not seeming that way. I don't know what to do, you guys. I don't know what to do. I think I need to revisit this packing cube and probably eliminate a few things because it's too big. It's not working. I need to be able to fit other stuff in here. This is honestly the only thing I'm kind of down to get rid of. Does that make enough room for these sweaters? Definitely one of them. This is not working. I guess this is what I'm gonna wear on the plane, so I should take that out of there. Put my pajamas on top here. Let's think about shoes for a second, because this is basically all we have for that right now. These I definitely want to bring, and they're gonna take up the large majority of room in here. Okay, I got distracted by a phone call, but we have the sneakers and my heels are in here. Thinking maybe they need to like slide over here. I also still have my jackets. I have these bags that I wanted to bring with me. I mean, oh my God, it stinks. I don't know what to do. I wonder if this can get like shimmied into one of these holes here. I don't know. Okay, let me go figure out, let me just pack some socks and underwear quickly. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm just starting to reach the point of I don't know if this is possible to bring everything that I want to bring. Like, I don't even think I can get this side to close with all of this stuff in here. I might just leave this bag at home. I love this bag so much. I am so obsessed with it, but it just can't fit. I'm gonna bring another smaller black bag with me, so if I need a black bag, I'll have one. I just don't think that I can do it. It's just not realistic. Even with this stuff, I don't think this will close as is. Like, literally, this is, yeah, no. Like, it can't even get kind of close to the zippers aligning. I think I just need to go away and be alone for a little while and really reevaluate what is in this bag and then come back to you guys. I have no idea if what I just did will make a difference at all. Basically, I removed a couple shirts, that way I could fit all of my sweaters in with my shirts. And then I also took all of my skirts and dresses out of that packing cube and just kind of rolled them into a line here. That way everything could lay a little bit more flat. This sweater, it can't fit anywhere, so it needs to just lay on top here, I think. Maybe I need to just not bring this sweater. I do really like it though. I hate packing for colder climates. It's so much harder. Obviously, if I was checking a bag, we would have more than enough space. Oh my God, I'm literally this close to giving up and checking a bag, let me tell you. Okay, no. Still not even close, are we? Oh, well, we're a little closer than we were before, but I still don't think it's gonna close. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I mean, like, just out of curiosity, if I took my underwear out of here, would that make any difference? I've reached a point of desperation, if you can't tell. So I just don't want to eliminate more from this bag. Wow, that does make a difference, doesn't it? Can it close over here, though? That's the question. Oh my God, I'm so close, you guys. Look at that. Zipper is so far tucked under there. Okay, it's closed. Oh my God. I feel like this can very easily go inside my backpack instead. I have quite literally broken a sweat, you guys. I am sweating right now from doing that. That was exhausting. I don't want to pack anymore. I don't want to. I don't feel good about it. Let's get the toiletries over with. I'm so defeated right now, you guys. I'm just like, I don't care. Let's just wrap this up. Okay, so the goal here is going to be makeup in this bag and then other toiletries in this bag. Makeup, I feel like it's gonna be fairly easy, so let's just knock that out right now because I'll probably be keeping my makeup fairly basic. Foundations, I don't think I need that one. Definitely want some primer with me because I imagine that it could get a little bit sweaty walking around as much as we are. Let's do like an eyeshadow palette, maybe two, just have some variety. Eyeshadow, primer, eyebrow, mascara, contour, blush, highlight, bronzer, another blush, and then my beauty blender. Can go inside my little beauty blender carrying case here. Voila. And that is probably it for that. And then makeup brushes will go in here because there's this nice like middle compartment where I can put them. So let's grab those now. I want to bring some of my chemical peels, maybe just like 4 of them. I think we just need to start loading stuff into this bag. You guys don't need to hear every detail about everything, so let's just do it. That's a good little start there. I have some other things in this box that I need to bring. So travel razor. I probably will take it out of its case just because like this doesn't help it be compact, but I'm just gonna leave it in there for now because if I can leave it in the case, I will. Okay, I also got these little mini perfume dispensers. Never used one of these before, so I'm not totally sure how to do it, but I got a pack of 2. I figured if Connor wants to bring some of his cologne, he can, and then I'll use this one. This. Oh, got it. This guy, I think. Oh, I'm seeing it going in there. Let me show you guys. Kind of pump it like this. Love it. And then see how you can kind of see it on the inside there? Ooh, fun. Okay. Obviously gonna need my toothbrush. I'm not gonna pack that right now because obviously I'll be using it. Band-aids I do want to pack. Slide those into this bag here. I would love to bring a hair oil with me, but I don't have a cap to this. I don't know where the cap went. Not sure where my other one went, but I'm wondering if I can steal a cap from something else. Like, does this fit on here? No. Oh wait, here's my other one. Yes, it's just kind of bigger, but that's okay. A couple little hair clippies for doing my hair. I'm gonna bring a bigger clip as well. And then yeah, it's really just my toothbrush and toothpaste have to go in there, so that feels solid.
Oh.
Hi.
And the kitty right by you.
Of course. Ah, haircut looks great, babe.
Thanks, baby.
Of course. Also need to pack our power cord in my backpack, so I have to figure out which of these plugs we need to bring with us. But I think my toiletries are pretty much in a good spot. Oh my gosh, you guys, the pre-trip meltdown has been so real, but it's the next day and Connor and I are getting ready to head out. So I just want to finish by packing my carry-on here. Obviously had to move my underwear into this bag because it would not fit in the suitcase. First, let me kind of empty out some stuff that I don't need from in here, like random candy, this straw, this lighter. Don't need that stuff. I am gonna bring a pen with me. More random candy. I have some random liquid IVs in here. I might as well keep those. Okay, and more random candy. It never ends. Okay, I do want to bring a little silk scrunchie with me, so I'm just gonna throw that in with my underwear here. And then I need to unzip this so that it gets nice and big and I can squish as much stuff in here as possible because I'm putting all of my toiletries inside of this bag here. Let me go get my toiletry bags. We've got it. So I'm thinking underwear and socks can go at the very bottom here. I was kind of thinking, because I need to bring some cotton rounds with me, that those could go in like the water bottle holder, although I was gonna bring a water bottle with me. Maybe I will. Just feel like it is kind of convenient when you're traveling to have a water bottle with you. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this on the outside though, to save room inside of my bag. There we go. So let's get makeup in next. I wish I had you guys on an angle where you could kind of see what I'm doing here, but I'm too rushed and stressed to do that right now, so sorry. Makeup. Now the other thing is hair tools. Thinking this can go here. I'm also packing just a tiny little cosmetics bag here with a few things that maybe I would want. I'm gonna bring some eye masks and acne masks. Sorry, I don't know why my camera keeps overexposing so dramatically. But we got those. I was also thinking my toothbrush. Where did I put that? Here we go. Although my toothpaste is in here, I gotta grab that. Does it even fit in here? I also have tampons in here because I might get my period today. So lucky. That would be so fun on a 10-hour flight. Toothpaste, I'm actually thinking maybe just a little bit of like hydrating serum. Just feel like on a flight I might just want to, I don't know if I'll actually use that, but it'll be nice to have it easily accessible just in case. I literally cannot believe we're going on a 10-hour flight today. I'm kind of nervous about it. Connor and I are like, damn, that's a long ass flight. That is okay. It's gonna be really good. Let me go get my hair tools now because they also have to fit in here. This can just go right here. This can go right here. Okay. Other things I'm gonna need. My laptop, obviously. Let me see how charged this is. I was trying to let it fully charge before we leave. Okay, it's at 92%, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna bring my little Alex Earl light for filming content. Camera charger. I guess I don't need my work ID to come with me on this trip. Phone charger and AirPods. Very important. Phone charger. I think I'm gonna put my AirPods inside of this little pouch that's gonna be at the top of my bag. Okay. Whoa, it's fine. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? My vitamins. I need to pack those. What else? I mean, I have my passport. Listen, that is the #1 thing that I need for this trip, and I have it. So I'm secure in that way. Obviously I need my Kindle. And hot tip, a Kindle can actually be charged with the same charger as a laptop, obviously depending what laptop you have, but my Mac uses the same charger, so that's super convenient. Plus the batteries last forever. I probably won't charge it on my trip, but in theory. Lovely. Feeling really solid. Let me check my to-do list from yesterday. Guys, I think we're in a pretty good place. Let me show you what's going on inside of this bag, just so that you have it for like a reference point since you only heard me talking about it. So obviously most things are inside of this large compartment here. This is my bag that has things that I'll probably grab immediately or want to grab immediately. Oh my God, I cannot forget my brush. Oh my God, and our power thing, damn. Okay, I'm gonna ask if Connor can put that in his bag. But anyway, I have all of my toiletries here, my makeup there, my socks and underwear are underneath all of this. Passport is in this little compartment here, along with some like ibuprofen, headphones, stuff like that. My hair tools are kind of shoved in the back there, along with some cotton rounds. I have my water bottle on the outside here. And then my laptop will slide in here with my Kindle and my dongles. And then in these front pockets, this one just right now only has my camera charger in it, but my laptop charger will go in here too. And then my phone charger is in this front compartment. Let's grab these and put them in Connor's bag. Where is your backpack on there? Here we are. Slide this in on the sides here. And last thing I think is my brush. Cannot forget this. I'm a brush girly. I love to brush my hair. I'm gonna keep that kind of on top also, just in case I want to brush my hair halfway through the flight or before going to sleep or whatever. We're done. We're actually done. You guys, I was having the biggest pre-trip meltdown yesterday. This happens to me before big trips like this. Like when it's just a long trip, I just am stressed. And also since I'm not working on this trip, there has just been so much work to get done and it's been very stressful. But it's officially done now. And that's it. That's it for today's video. I think there's gonna be one more video up on my channel after this one. So keep an eye out for that. And then after that, Europe vlogs will begin. I'm so excited. Make sure you follow me on social media to keep up more daily on what I'm up to. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.